The interior bodice of the circa 1912 Lucile gown had completely disintegrated over time. To exhibit the dress safely, a new interior bodice had to be constructed to support the weight of the exterior layers of the gown, as the original ones did. To do so, measurements were taken of what remained. Luckily, the cotton thread of the seams was still intact, as was the silk ribbon edges and some of the finished seam allowances. These measurements were drawn onto pattern paper before the pattern pieces were cut and constructed out of silk habiti. Additionally, another Lucile gown from the same period with a very similar interior bodice construction was studied to make decisions on its construction where there was no surviving material evidence. The replacement interior bodice was finished along the edges with polyester ribbons in the same manner the original was constructed. It was then placed in position and attached to the exterior layers to provide the support necessary to dress the gown safely.